everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I came with my friends to Railway Museum. For the first time we all came out and it's so exciting. Actually we all are wearing white, as you can see. We all are wearing white because we had our 10th standard graduation day today, which was so amazing, and first time we are out with friends. I'll show you the place around and I'll show you how much we'll enjoy here. So keep watching. They're all completely busy in taking photos.
This is okay,
So here there's a big train. Probably they will take us for a small round or something in the train. We'll see. Our friends are waiting to go. We'll see, and it's really exciting. Still, so many things are there to see. And by the way, I forgot to inform that for adults, one ticket will cost 50 rupees, and for children, that means up to 8 years of age, it will cost 20 rupees. So, yeah, I think this information will be useful for you when you are going to come here. And absolutely, you should come because this is so nice. Aishwarya, Pooja, Vinuta and Amruta. So I already introduced you to all my friends. So first time we came out somewhere, and first it's actually so far and it's so exciting. We're enjoying a lot. This is a train. We went inside and came. had two fun rides in this rounds in this train. It was awesome. It was exactly like real train only, and we enjoyed a lot. And
You all should try once.
yeah,
when
you all
come
should
here.
come once. And we already made a video of our train journey, which we'll be uploading here. So now we'll see what else do we have to see. So we have a children's park also here. So if you bring your young little ones also, they will never get bored. So it's a family package. It's for everyone. Everyone can come here. So next, what else we have? This is one more train. Now we'll go inside.
Turn no. Chinmay, Amruta, turn.
Hi.
No one will take my video.
Now we have some what is the tower name?
View tower. View
Now we are going inside View Tower. We are inside the lift. It's going to the top.
Third floor.
Third floor. So we are here.